I've got two unique ways that you can re-envision your 2025 homeschool mom life. One is a 5-day homeschool vision challenge, which I talked about last time. You'll find the link up there. I also am offering a workshop, the Homeschool Moms Vision and Alignment Workshop, on Friday, December 27. If you are a homeschool mom who has felt like you're juggling too much and struggling to find a clear path forward, you're invited. If you've lost sight of why you began homeschooling this year, then you are welcome to reconnect with us and find your purpose. If you look at your homeschool routine and think it's stale, it's not working for me right now, I'd like new ideas to energize my days, you're invited. If you're torn between needing more structure or maybe more flexibility, and you wish you could find more balance, you're invited. Or if you're exhausted and wondering how you'll find the energy to finish this homeschool year strong, you got your invite. If you feel isolated and wish you had a group of like-minded homeschool moms to share ideas and get encouragement from, you know where to go. If you're facing specific homeschool challenges like resistant kids or managing multiple ages and just feeling like it's just too much and you don't know how to tackle it, join us. Your goal is to put your needs first, not last, so you don't feel depleted anymore and you can show up intentionally for your family. So if the thought of joining a group, a conversation that helps to encourage you to clarify the things that are challenging for you at this time of year so you can move into your 2025 year with more vision and intention, you are welcome to this workshop. You'll leave with a clear vision, intentional goals, and momentum to start your 2025 year. As a bonus to this workshop, you'll also receive the 2025 Homeschool Mom Vision Planner, the Ultimate Wellness Journaling Workbook, and new friends and access to a supportive community all year long. I'd love for you to join us and make your 2025 the best, most intentional homeschool year yet. Last year, Trina joined me. She's a homeschool mom of 3 boys. She said, "Thank you so much for our time. It was so valuable," as I figured it would be. Also, I wanted to say that though my baby was distracting me, we had countless great conversations, and I am so grateful for you and your part in my growth this past year. While I believe I would have survived it all, it certainly wouldn't have been as transformative. If you would like that to be your experience for the upcoming year, you're invited. This is your time to pause, refocus, and move into 2025 with greater confidence. You got this, and I'm here to help you.